3 technology lessons. Lesson 1. The Raspberry Pi. Putting heat sinks on microchips and sticking everything into the enclosures, booting into Debian Linux and playing with the command line. The Pi represents endless possibilities and lessons. It calls to you to learn programming. It is really easy. Start by creating your own WikiWiki. It encourages you learning programming with Vim or VI and using Linux as your IDE. This is a lesson you will never regret. It invites you to programming your GPIO pins, a world where your code controls hardware. From relays to stepper motors and Raspberry Pi powered robots, Pi camera and Pi Zero networks, it simply expands your grasp on technology and makes using other embedded computers completely clear. Lesson 2. 3D modeling. It is easier than digital drawing. It comes so natural and requires so little that one can't help but to create unseen inventions. Organic modeling is an invitation to learn to use a drawing tablet. This is a skill as important as knowing how to use the mouse. Hard surface modeling is an introduction to industrial design. It is an urgent call to create for the 3D printer. Lesson 3. The 3D printer. It is the Star Trek replicator, but you are the captain. Be it organic or hard surface modeling, you can now put your creations in the palm of your hand. From your imagination to reality. The call to create things that you can touch never ceases. The new ideas never, ever stop. Computers and electronics, 3D modeling and industrial design, and fabrication, creation and iteration represent safe career paths forward. And when you learn something for real, you also learn how to teach it for real and enable others to become as powerful as you. These are not ordinary lessons. These are true lessons. A true lesson is a lesson that changes lives. And just when you think you have learned all the important parts, you will discover that you are now reasoning by subtle analogy to the new ideas that you have learned. You will see life and the world in a brighter light. And the more knowledge you hold, the greater your wisdom and the closer your greatness.